In this video, you're going to learn how to create shortcuts from the matrix speedbar. Speedbar shortcuts allow you to quickly rerun search criteria without having to enter it all over again. Step 1. Run a new search. Once logged in to Crmls matrix, go to the Search tab. You are then going to open up the appropriate type of search. You are going to enter your criteria. Once entered all of your criteria, you are going to then click Results on the bottom of your screen. Step 2. Create your search bar shortcut. From the results page, you're going to click Save at the bottom of the screen. Then to the right, you're going to click New Speedbar Shortcut. On the following screen, your speedbar shortcut you're going to create. Where it says speedbar shortcut, you're going to enter a name in the field. Since we search in San Diego, the name is going to be SD. You may also enter a description in the description field. Once you're done with that, you're going to click Save. Step 3. Search with your speedbar shortcut. You're going to go home. From here, using the search bar, you're going to enter your shortcut name. Be sure to enter the slash as well. You're going to then hit enter on your keyboard, or you can use the drop-down box. This will bring up the current search results for your criteria you specified in your shortcut. How to edit or delete shortcuts. From here, you're going to go to My Matrix and then click on the Settings tab. Once you are on the settings, you're going to click on Speedbar Shortcuts. This will bring up a list of all of your shortcuts, which will include all their search criteria. To edit the shortcut, you're going to click on the name. To delete the shortcut, you're going to check the box, click Delete, say OK, and that is how you delete. You now know how to use speedbar shortcuts.